Want to build strength, improve flexibility, and tone your body, all in one machine? This might be the most powerful tool for your fitness journey. Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming, especially when you don't know which equipment actually works. With the Elina Pilates Elite Wood Combo Chair, you get a complete workout system designed for strength, control, and balance. This is not just a chair. It's a multifunctional Pilates machine. You can train your core, legs, arms, and stability, all in one compact setup. It's perfect for beginners who want effective workouts without complicated equipment. Here's why it's perfect for your fitness journey. Adjustable resistance system, 4 springs let you control intensity and grow stronger over time. Handles for support. Gives you balance, safety, and more exercise options. Smooth, controlled movement. Perfect for muscle activation and injury prevention. Premium build quality. Durable wood frame and non-slip padding for comfort. Compact and portable. Easy to move and perfect for home workouts. Imagine this. You step onto your Pilates chair. Adjust the springs. Hold the handles. You activate your core, engage your legs, and move with control. Every movement is smooth. Every rep builds strength. Fitness isn't just about lifting heavy. It's about control, balance, and consistency. And this machine helps you build all three. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, this is your sign. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.